a spam email can include things like sales emails, advertisements and junk mail, whereas a phishing email can include things like fake links, unexpected attachments, and someone within your company asking you to reveal some confidential information. Now, to add the spam block sender button in Outlook, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to right click on the toolbar at the top of your Outlook screen to expand the home section under the main tab. Click new group, right click the new group and click rename. Name it something along the lines of spam. From the choose commands from the drop down, select all commands. Find the block sender command and drag it to the spam tab that you have just named. Click OK, and then that should appear on the top of your toolbar. Once you receive an email that you believe is spam, you can simply click the block sender button to add the sender to your junk email list. If you believe the email to be a phishing email, you can still click the Phish Alert Report button.